Hi guys, welcome to Word Work. Like always, I hope everyone's doing well and I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day weekend. Now, I'm going to be teaching the word work again this week, so I want you to go ahead and take a look at our word list for this week and see how they're similar. These words, just like last week, are homophones. We will be continuing with homophones this week. Just as a reminder, a homophone pair is two words that sound the same but are spelled different and have different meanings. The important focus for this week is to learn which spelling goes with the correct meaning. Now we're going to practice and take a look at these two words. We have dessert and dessert. Now, the first dessert is like a hot, dry, sandy place, and the second dessert is like a treat like ice cream or cookies. Now, these two words, as you can tell, are very similar. The only difference is this dessert has two S's. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick that's always helped me with these two words. Now when I look at this dessert, I notice that it has one S, and I know that this dessert is a hot, dry, sandy place. So I think of sand when I see this one. So it's one S, and I know that's sand, and it makes sense because this is the desert which is surrounded by sand. Now, with the second dessert, I think of strawberry shortcake, and that's because this dessert has two S's, and strawberry shortcake has two S's. So this has always helped me because I know strawberry shortcake is a dessert, and I know it has two S's, so then whenever I'm thinking of that, I remember that when I'm thinking of the food dessert, that is going to have two S's. Now, again, for this week, we want to make sure that you know which meaning goes with each spelling. So, very similar to last week, you're going to copy each word into your notebook. Then you're going to draw a sketch or write the meaning of each word next to it. Then you're going to check your work either using a parent or we have an answer key. And then you're going to participate in two other activities. And for this week, we actually have two videos. We also have a second video just for the words there, and there. And that's because these words are super tricky and sometimes even adults today struggle getting the right there. So that video is going to be posted right below this one, so you're going to want to watch that right after this. And that's going to be all for today for this video. Thank you so much. Bye.